Hi guys, Dave Hall here, Restore a Muscle Car. We're doing our morning muscle car walk here to just kind of show you what's going on in the shop. And today we got some snow coming down, just kind of out of the blue, just a little bit of flurries and stuff to start our morning. And we got a nice black 78 special edition Trans Am here sitting outside with a little bit of snow on it just to start our morning. Anyway, let's go see what's going on in the shop. 74 Trans Am that we're doing for a client of ours out of Tennessee. It's a full pro touring car. It's already been mini tub. It's got a Detroit Speed rear 4-link in it. Also has the Detroit Speed front hydroform subframe in it as well. We'll have Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes. It's getting completely customized. It'll be a pro touring 74 Trans Am. So keep an eye on it on the website. Alright, here we have a 1970 Ford F-150 and we're putting the Coyote engine in it, fuel injected. It's got the Roadster Shop custom chassis in it. It's going to be a really tricked out truck. Follow it on our website. We're doing it for a local client of ours along with his 74 Cuda I'm going to show you next. This is a 1970 446 pack Cuda. Barn find car, came out of Missouri. The same gentleman that owns the 74 pickup that we're doing. This is his car. Obviously, a lot of metal work on this one. It's going to take it a while, but it's another one that you can follow right along. Full numbers matching car, barn find, B5 blue car, very nice. We have a 71 Cutlass Convertible that we're doing for a local client of ours. Just came in. We're working on the drivetrain right now, kind of detailing the engine compartment, but probably going to get into some body and paint, and you can follow along on the website on this one as well. This 1976 Trans Am 455 4-speed car, one owner. The gentleman that got this car, his dad worked at GM at the plant and was able to pick it out in the parking lot outside one afternoon when they had an employee purchase day. Anyway, we're doing a frame-off restoration on this car for the original owner, and we just finished up putting a full floor pan in it and getting ready to put a quarter on the other side and just finishing some undercarriage metal work before we get the bottom side painted and then finish the top side metal. Alright, just real quick, we got a lot going on here in the main part of the shop. I'm just going to give you a real quick overview. 72 400 4-speed California Formula that we're just finishing up paint, getting it all assembled, doing some interior work. This is a client's 1970 Ram Air 3 automatic AC, pretty well loaded car. It's the white with a bright blue interior. 1972 Chevy Blazer. We're doing a nice custom two-tone paint job, chrome moldings down the side. This will be a fuel injected truck when it's done. The motor's already done, getting ready to go in it here very soon. All right, we've got two Pro Touring 77 Trans Ams here. Actually, I have 78 and 77. This 77's got the charcoal and silver decal package on it. It's getting ready to go down to the dyno shop, get alignment done, tune, and get it ready so we can actually test drive it out on the street. It's got blueprint motor, 625 horse, naturally aspirated. It's a stroked LS3, 427 cubic inches. We have this 78. This is the Pro Touring car that we're just finishing up. It just came back from the dyno shop. Got all the tuning, alignment done. It's got the full custom interior, custom Dakota digital gauges, TMI seats. It also has the blueprint 625 horse motor in it with Detroit Speed 4-link and front hydroform subframe, mini tub, 12-inch wide wheels on the back. This is a 69 Trans Am that actually came out of a container out of New York. It had been stored for years along with another one. The other car I had sold to a friend of mine out of Phoenix that's restoring it. This one is an automatic, numbers matching, Ram Air 3, 69 Trans Am. We just got done doing all the drive line, powder coated the front subframe, all new bushings, lines, rebuilt the motor, transmission. It's a blue interior car, automatic console. It's a running, driving car now. We're gonna get it ready for going through the paint process here shortly. Got in a 1991 K5 Blazer, just over 100,000 miles. We're actually just getting it all cleaned up, tuned up, doing some mechanical work to it. This will be a fun four-wheel drive vehicle for somebody here locally. We have a 1970 Ram Air 3 automatic California car, black deluxe interior. It's got the rare lucerne blue paint. We just finished all the paint work on it, getting all the bright work done, new wheels and tires, all new interior, getting ready to put a new dash in it, glass, getting all the final stuff done, getting assembled. This one actually will be for sale on our website here very soon. 1977 Trans Am here. This is a mild pro touring car. It's a 5-speed car. It's got our upgraded billet aluminum wheels on it, 18-inch wheels. It's got 9s on the front, 10s on the back. It's got our custom platinum charcoal and silver decal kit on it, along with custom Cirillo seats. It also has the Dakota Digital gauges and vintage air installed in it. Complete custom frame off, nut and bolt car from ground up. It's actually got a Pontiac 400 motor that's all been built up and very sharp. It's actually got the upgraded aluminum heads, intake, carb, modern sand-in compressor, and March pulley system on it with the Be Cool radiator. Anyway, great car. This one's going to Miami, actually Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Ships out tomorrow.